Say what now? Yeah. You could totally do that.
What's that?
You could do that. You can go for the right or the left. You don't have to go
the center.
You go to the center, yeah. But I mean, like, in case traffic is coming or something.
It'd probably be better to do it towards the interstate, as shitty as that sounds.
That's what I'm thinking, to go this way and then pull back, coming this way. Fuck it, I'll go for it, dude. I'll try it. Yeah.
That way you're pulling up before you get to the obstacles and you're throwing yourself back, I mean, at the interstate.
I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for that one, and I'm gonna go for the door thing.
That's why you couldn't turtle mode.
Such a hard time with power loops.